Hey there, I'm Onur, founder of Nureply. Today we are going to take a look at Nureply's features, and this will be a quick product tour. Let's get started. On the dashboard, you can see stats of your campaigns and what you have achieved with Nureply. For example, in here, I have uploaded 1,000 leads and contacted all of them. And we have open rate, click rate, bounce, and reply rate. And then we are going to the CSV files. That's where you can upload your CSV files and start sending and personalizing the leads. Let's upload one file here. And in this part, you have to pick the addresses and the emails and what should be done, what should be added as a lead variables to Nureply. This upper part is the part of the CSV file, and we have to map this value to the Nureply's internal values. For example, this address value is an email in Nureply, and the first name is first name on Nureply, last name is last name. You don't have to import everything, you just bring what you want to use in Nureply. So company name, this is a company name, LinkedIn URL. This should be a personal LinkedIn URL, and we will add this as a LinkedIn URL. And the website URL, we already have it. And you can add custom variables. For example, you can add industry, but as you can see, we don't have an default industry button. So we will choose custom variable. For the country, custom variable again. Click on click leads, wait for a moment. Nureply will upload the CSV and create your leads. And here we go. Your list is created. And then we are going to the preview section where you can see the details of the CSV files you have uploaded. As you can see, we don't have a personalization for them. But we can click on website based, for example, and generate an icebreaker. Keep in mind, if we cannot reach the website of this person, we cannot create a personalization or icebreaker. That's looking good. But it's a cumbersome thing to just like upload and click every single personalization button. Instead, we have a tab to personalize. Basically, you are clicking on personalize and it will show you how many credits you will spend, and you won't be charged for not personalized contacts. So you can either choose website based or LinkedIn based. Let's go with the website based. And it started processing. But for the sake of this video, we will not wait for it. So then here is our accounts section. These are the accounts that you have connected to Nureply. If you want to connect a new one, just fill the information and you're good to go. As well as I can show you here are few details you can see for this specific email account. We can change the sender name, daily sending limit, and we can add custom tracking domain. Let's see if it's active. Yes, it looks good. Then that's it. There is nothing else to do, just connect once. And then we have sequences. On the sequences tab, you will see the campaigns you have started, added, and continuing. For example, this one is a big one and have a good open rate, good click rate, and reply rate is 14% and small bounce rate. And then after, just below this, we can check the classification that AI have done. So we have 15% positive reply rate and 68 neutral. This means we can recover these leads, and this is the negative. Let's open a campaign. It will take a minute to load, and we can see the same stats again. We are seeing the leads and every detail depending on the leads data we have uploaded plus the personalization. You can stop emails for specific people with stop emails button, because sometimes you're sending a calendar link and they set up a calendar and a meeting with you, but they don't reply. So you have to stop them manually. And then here are the sequence. This is where the good part is. Let's look at this example. We have a subject line which says save. What does it mean? If there is a company name, use it. If not, replace it with your company. And then we have a random, which will pick between hey, hi, and hello, add first name. And then again, we have a safe personalization, love how you are helping your clients, etc., etc. This will be replaced if there is no personalization for this person. And the rest is just like a regular email body. I definitely suggest adding a PS line. It makes wonders, but it's up to you. And then we have a preview. This preview is really advanced that you cannot see anywhere else. Basically, we are showing you a lot of places that your email can be viewed. For example, this one. These variables and everything, for example, the subject line, love what you do at this way, this is coming from a leads data, just to give you a good preview. And you can preview it in Outlook and Yahoo. This is how they are gonna see your emails. But it's not just this. Then you can see the open large view of large devices. This is how it will be shown. Even we have like small devices like MacBook Air and Outlook and Yahoo. Fine. What else? We have the notifications on phones. You can see it iPhone 13 mini plus Google 6 Pro. It's even interactive that you can check every detail. Then we have the small devices again to see how it looks, and the open version of this person called Anita, their personalization made by Nureply. If you remember, we have added this in the inbox. And then this is the, I guess, most important part, the email scoring. What does it mean? So it says it has a good score. Subject line, good. Email content, great. Readability, fine. But we can see the full breakdown. If you include their names, add crisp and short email subject, which is good. Are there any spam words? Nothing. Looks professional, fine. Let's look at the follow-ups. After adding your first email, you can add unlimited follow-ups with Nureply. Basically, I have reached out to you a few days ago, etc., etc., and we are waiting for 3 days before sending the next follow-up. And here is the next one and next one. And this is the best part. I love this GIF so much. So this is my breakup email. And we are sending the last follow-up. If they don't reply, we cannot pursue them because they are not interested, most likely. And then you're coming to campaign name. You can choose multiple email addresses to be added to this campaign, which means we will pick one email address which is available to send, and we will send the first email with this address. And the second and follow-up will go with this email address again. Every lead will be assigned an email address, and we will continue using this one to not confuse anyone. But you don't have to create another campaign for each email address you have. Just add them in the same campaign. Even if you have 5 different campaigns with the same email addresses, we will always check and ensure this email address is good to send. Otherwise, it will kill your deliverability, and we don't want you to go spam ever. And then there are 2 options. Behavior after getting a reply. Generally, this is stop after reply. You don't have to change this. And pick a time zone to send. And then the daily starting and ending. And these are the allowed days that your campaigns will be sent. And the tracking options is track link clicks and track opens. You can keep them, but you also don't have to. It's up to you. I'm generally clicking them because it works good. If you have a good tracking domain set up for your email address, this will be fine. And here is the minimum wait interval between emails. Basically, each email will be sent at least after waiting at least 5 minutes. But we want you to seen as a human to the email provider, so we will add 0 to 5 minutes between intervals. You can adjust this, add this, remove this, it's totally up to you. And there is a daily limit for sending campaign, because you might have multiple campaigns connected with the same email addresses. Then you want to limit this campaign for example, 300 people only, and then the next other campaign should have maybe 100 emails. That way you will see the balance between 2 email campaigns. And lastly, I want to show you the multi-inbox. With multi-inbox, you can see all the email addresses connected to Nureply. You can check the replies, sent emails, and everything with a single multi-inbox. That way, you don't have to jump between all the email accounts you have and see who they replied and what they have said. Let's open that one, and we can see all the sent emails for this specific leads, and we can even reply from Nureply. Let's add a reply. That's great. Let's meet next week. And click on send email. And tada, your email is sent. That's a quick tour of Nureply. Let us know what you think, and I hope I can see you inside. See you soon.